Hello everyone, my name is Kisun Kabore. Today I'm going to talk about a specific topic for my brothers in Ghana, specifically Musi people in Ghana. I heard that many people, especially Musi people in Ghana, some of them mixed with other tribes, tend to forget or not to learn the language anymore. So they asked me to make a sample video for them. I'm gonna talk today about personal pronouns in Musi language, and I'm going to translate from English to Musi language, which is called More. So I'm gonna start right now. Let's start by the singular personal pronouns. We have I. In Musi language it is Mam. You have you, singular form. You have it in Musi language. For, we have she, it, he. They correspond to nye in Musi language. We have we, which corresponds to tont in Musi language. We have you in plural form, which corresponds to nyamba in Musi language. And then we have they, which corresponds to Bamba in Musi language. Thank you so much for following me. This is a simple example to start learning Musi language from English. Thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.